Hello again, it's Sam with Blind Shell. Today we're going to take a look at the weather app on the Blind Shell Classic mobile phone. First things first is we need to navigate to our weather. So we can do that by pressing left or right on the directional pad until we hear more applications.
Messages 2 of 9. Contacts 3 of 9. More applications 4 of 9.
I'm going to click OK.
Tools 1 of 5.
And the weather application is inside Tools, so I'm going to click OK again.
Alarm 1 of 9.
And now I'm going to click either left or right to find weather. Now I know weather is at the end of the list here, so it's going to be faster to click to the left because our menus are rotating menus. You have to think about it as it's kind of like a circle. So I can either click to the right and go all the way around the circle, or I can just click to the left and jump right to it.
Translator 9 of 9. Weather 8 of 9.
There it is. I'm going to click OK.
Network is not available. Weather 8 of 9.
Now sometimes that happens. The first time you try to open it, you'll get a little message there. But if you just click it again.
Current weather in Mount Vernon. Temperature 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Few clouds 1 of 6.
There you go. It opens up no problem. Gives you our current weather, and it said 1 of 6. So there's 6 more options here. So if I click to the right.
Tomorrow, temperature 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Light rain 2 of 6.
So it sounds like it's going to rain tomorrow.
Thursday, temperature 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Light rain 3 of 6. Friday, temperature 33 degrees Fahrenheit. Few clouds 4 of 6. Unit settings 5 of 6.
So we get 4 days worth of weather, and then it gets into settings. So unit settings, you can set it to either Celsius or Fahrenheit, miles per hour, kilometers per hour, things like that. If I click one more to the right,
Forecast in different city 6 of 6.
we can choose a different city. So I'm going to go back to the first day, to the current weather and temperature.
Current weather in Mount Vernon. Temperature 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Few clouds 1 of 6.
Now if I click OK, I'll get more information.
Current weather in Mount Vernon. 11 a.m. Temperature 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Overcast clouds. Wind speed 12.8 miles per hour. Cloudiness 100%. Humidity 81%. Pressure 1013.0 hectopascal. 1 of 3.
So I got a lot of information there. If I click to the right,
Current weather in Mount Vernon. 2 p.m. Temperature 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
so clicking to the right just gave me more information about certain times of the day. I went ahead and hit the back button, so now I'm back on the regular weather information for today. Let's go take a look at those settings.
Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, unit settings 5 of 6.
Click OK.
Temperature degrees Fahrenheit 1 of 2.
We have temperature settings
Wind speed miles per hour 2 of 2.
and then wind speed. So you can adjust those settings. I'm going to click the back button,
Unit settings 5 of 6.
and I'm going to click to the right once.
Forecast in different city 6 of 6.
And here we can choose a different city to get the forecast. So this is important because if you're going to travel, or if you have relatives in another city that you want to check their weather, you can do that. Or perhaps for whatever reason the weather forecast is not reading for your city, you can actually custom set your location in this section here. So I'm going to click OK.
New search 1 of 3.
And it has, the very first option is new search, but it said 1 of 3. So I'm going to click to the right.
Lexington, United States 2 of 3. Las Vegas, United States 3 of 3.
And those are just a couple cities that I was testing out. I'm going to go back to new search.
Lexington, new search 1 of 3.
And I'm going to click OK.
City.
And we got our little beep letting us know that we are in a text field and it's asking for the city. So I'm going to use dictation to dictate a city. Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale.
And I'm going to click OK.
Current weather in Fort Lauderdale. Temperature 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Few clouds 1 of 4.
80 degrees in Fort Lauderdale. I bet it's beautiful down there. Now, if I had searched for a city name that's more common, then it would provide a list of those cities and you would just pick the one that you want. But either way, the city that you search for will now show up in the list here. So if I click back,
Forecast in different city, 6 of 6.
and if I click OK now,
New search, 1 of 4.
Fort Lauderdale is in our list now.
Fort Lauderdale, United
There it
States,
is.
2 of 4. Call, 1 of 9.
So that is the weather application. Now you can also get your weather simply by using your voice. So if I long press either of the voice buttons here,
I listen after a beep.
what's the weather?
Opening weather. Current weather in Mount Vernon, temperature 65 degrees Fahrenheit, few clouds, 1 of 6.
It opened up the weather application and then told me the current weather. So
Call, 1 of 9.
you don't have to navigate to the weather app each time you want to know the weather. You can just search with your voice. So that's a quick look at the weather application. If you would like to learn more about what your Blind Shell Classic can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and view some of our other tutorials.